हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम करेंगे क्लास 9th मोमेंट्स बुक का चैप्टर 1 द लॉस्ट चाइल्ड के क्वेश्चन आंसर। इससे पहले आप चैनल पर नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, व्हाट आर द थिंग्स द चाइल्ड सीज ऑन हिज वे टू द फेयर, व्हाई डज ही लैग बिहाइंड। तो इसका आंसर है, the child sees many things which fascinate him on his way to the fair. He saw many toy shops on roadsides to distract him from toys. His mother showed him a flowering mustard fields nearby. In the fields, the child sees dragons, fowls, butterflies, fluttering, fluttering around the flowers. Then, while walking on the footpath, he was amazed by the insects and worms. After entering the grove where his parents were resting, he saw cooing doves. As he neared the village with his parents, he saw skirts of people going to the fair. As the distance to the fair gets closer, he sees many shops converging to the fair. A sweet maid sailors selling sweets like a burfi and gulab jamun, and a little further he comes across a flower seller who was selling a garland of gulmohar. Walking ahead, he see a man selling rainbow-colored balloons. He also saw a snake charmer who stood playing a flute to a snake. Finally, before losing track of his parents, he saw a roundabout swings. The child keeps lagging on the way because the child is fascinated by all the things he sees on his way. At times he stops to buy toys, and at other times he stops to admire the beauty of the nature, collecting flowers, catching butterflies. तो ये रहा आंसर हमारा कि उसने रंग बिरंगे बलून्स देखे, मिठाइयाँ देखी, फिर फेयर में क्या क्या होता है वो सब देखा उसने। वो इसलिए बिछड़ गया क्योंकि उसे खिलौने लेने का शौक़ था, उन्हें देखने की, नेचर देखने का शौक़ था। इसकी वजह से देखते देखते वो अपने मम्मा पापा से बिछड़ गया। तो हमारा सेकंड क्वेश्चन है, इन द फेयर ही वॉन्ट्स मैनी थिंग्स, वट आर दे, वाई डज ही मूव्स ऑन विदाउट वेटिंग फॉर एन आंसर। तो इसका आंसर है, सम ऑफ द थिंग्स चाइल्ड वॉन्ट्स इन द फेयर आर। तो पहली चीज़ वो क्या जानता था, लेना चाहता था फेयर से, टॉयज़ एंड बलून्स। सेकेंड है बर्फी फ्रॉम द स्वीट मेड सेलर, गार्लैंड्स ऑफ गुलमोर, वॉचिंग द स्नेक charmer play flute to a snake, a ride in the roundabout. The boys moved on without waiting for an answer because he knew that his request would be refused every time. थर्ड क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं, when does he realize that he has lost his way? How have his accidents and insecurity been described? तो इसका आंसर है he realized that he has lost his way when on reaching the roundabout he stopped to observe its moving in full swings with the man, women and children enjoying themselves on it. Watching them intently, he turned to his parents to ask for permission to go on the rounds, but there was no reply from them. He turned to look for them, but they were not there. He looked all around, but there was no sign of them. His eccentricity and insecurity has been wondered beautifully The description of his anxious moments is follow. A full deep cry rose within his dry throats, and with the stern jackets of his body, he ran from where he stood, crying out in real fear. Mother, further, tears rolled down from his eyes. His flushed face was a convulsed with fear. Panic strikes, he ran from one side to the another in all directions, knowing not where to go. His yellow turban came unity and his clothes became muddy. The author answer captured the anxiety and fear a child faces in a such situation in minutes of the details of his body language that helps the readers to to the child situation at an emotional level. Fourth question हमारा, why does the lost child lose interest in the things that he had wanted earlier? This considered the lost child loses interest in the things that he had wanted earlier because he was panic stricken on being separated from his parents. All he wanted was to be united with them. All the things that attracted him in the fair no longer appeal to him. He realized being with parents is more important. तो फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं. What do you think happen in the end? Does the child find his parents? तो इसका आंसर है, in the end the parents who continuously keep checking to see that he was with them right from the beginning of their journey may have suddenly realized that he was missing and come looking from the lost child. The kind and understanding man who tried to console the little boy by offering him various things at the fair may have also asked him for same description of his parents and help him to return with them. तो गाइज ये रही हमारी क्लास 9th मूवमेंट चैप्टर 1 द लॉस्ट चाइल्ड क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर. I hope you like it. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.